Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to teach you about head tracking in Premiere with the help of 𝒂𝒂 Pro plugin. Thank you for liking and sharing this video to support the channel. Well, let's steal the video. In the first step, you need to download the plug-in from the 𝒂𝒂 Pro website, then install it, and after installation, it will automatically appear in the effect control section of Premiere, and you can find it by searching for it. Then drop the effect on the video and double-click on 𝒂𝒂 Pro from the control effects section to open the plugin. My plugin is on classic mode, and if it is different for you, you should adjust it from the above section. And then, in the first step, we go to the first second of the video to start from there. And in the part where the video is displayed, you can zoom by scrolling the mouse up and down, and by pressing the mouse scroll, you can move it left and right. And with the help of this masking tool, we mask around the subject or the head of our person. The higher the number of masks, the longer the rendering will be, so 4 masks are suitable for this. Then press the T arrow to render one round, press this option and turn on the center and zoom ticks in the stabilize section and render again. Then click Save from the top section and close the plugin. Then, in the control effect section, turn on the render tick from the module render section and put it on stabilizes. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have any problem or question, I'm in the comment to solve your problem. And if you liked the video, it was useful for you, like and share the video.